If you want to increase your YouTube subscriber and grow your YouTube, you really need to start uploading YouTube short video because YouTube is actually promoting it very well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can convert your long video up to 10-15 minutes into a short video, and it's going to be much engaging. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end. And you really need to start uploading YouTube short because honestly, YouTube is actually promoting it. As you can see, they actually have 2 billion visitors every single month, and they have 15 billion views every single day. So if you can upload your YouTube short, you turn your old videos, like old long videos, to YouTube shorts, there is high chances that you are going to grow your YouTube channel very faster and your subscriber. So for you to convert your existing YouTube long video to short, you have to come to this particular website called VIDIQ. So this particular AI is going to do the magic for you. You are not going to do any work, because if you want to use all this app like YouTube app, it's going to be much difficult for you. So for you to get started, you have to click on start a trial over here. So it's going to load up. You have to start a trial. So you can either sign up with your Gmails, with your Facebook, or with your Microsoft. Those are the three options that is available. You have to click on sign up with Gmails. So it's going to load up. It's going to load up. I'm going to sign up with my Gmail over here. So you choose the Gmail you want to use. Then it's going to sign me in automatically. And so with this AI app, you should be able to create a long YouTube video. And you have, if you are signing up, you have an hour 15 minutes of processing time. So you have to click on which one do you want to do. So I'm a video creator, so I'm going to click on this one. So and I work alone mostly. So I want to make existing. Okay, so these are the information you have to input. Then click on next. So like I actually see it from a YouTube channel, so I recommend it for you. So you have to click on it and be able to, this particular tool, I'm not promoting them because I want to be an affiliate. I'm just trying to help you out because it's a great tool that I've been using, and I've used it to grow one of my YouTube channels. So let's get started. So right now, one of the advantage of using this video.io is the fact that you can upload your existing video without downloading the video from YouTube. So let's go back to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's assume that I want to make a YouTube short for this my particular video. So all you have to do is to copy the URL of that video. So let me pause this one, then come over to video.io. So like there's two options. We can paste the URL, we can upload the link. So let's paste the URL. So as you can see, you can upload your YouTube video with your URL. You paste it over here, then like we click on continue. So it's going to load up right away. So you can choose the one you actually want. You can choose any template. This one is for Facebook, Medium, and Twitter. So we are not focusing on that one. We are focusing on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and also Instagram. So this particular one is going to work for the three platforms. We click on it, then click on continue. So we then select a template we actually want. There are a lot of templates. So this AI tool is going to do everything we actually want, like make the video much engaging. So we can actually choose any template. Like let's choose this one. Let's choose this one, and this one, and also this one. So we can actually choose any one we actually want. Then click on done. So right now, let's click on save and then done. So right now, this AI is processing the YouTube video for us. It's going to try to watch all the entire video and be able to make some jump some clip together, and this video is going to be much okay for us. So if you like this kind of video, I will encourage you to just book the like button right away. So while the AI is processing the video, so I will pause the video now. It's going to take a while. So after it's processed, it's finished, I will continue the video.
A few moments later.
So after about just 5 seconds, the AI has already processed the video. As you can see, it's ready now. So let's preview our clips to see what this AI has done for us. So it's going to give us a lot of template to choose from. So as you can see, one of the advantage of using this particular AI is going to suggest the title you are going to use. It's going to do the subtitle. It's going to subtitle all the information for you in a simple manner. So let's preview. This is one of them. So let's preview the clip. As you can see, this is the one you actually come up with how to withdraw TransferWise money in USD on Binance. So as you can see, this is one of the great video we can actually upload on YouTube Shorts, and it's going to go viral. I'm very sure it's going to go viral. So if you preview this particular one, you can use any template you actually want. So there are a lot of template that is much engaging for everybody on YouTube. So let's assume that I'm using this particular template. All you have to do is to click on edit. So we are going to edit this particular template. So as you can see, we can drag any element we actually want. We can choose any template over here. So we can choose any template. So you can choose. There are varieties of templates over here you can actually choose. So it's one of the great advantage, like one of the great advantage, because you can turn a lot of too long YouTube video into short. So and be able to gain more views with your existing video. So and also there are a lot of elements. There is cut magic, there is subtitle if you want to subtitle, but this particular AI is going to do the subtitle automatically for you. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, it has do the subtitle. So and one important thing you have to notice, there is element. So if I want to drag any element, I can be able to add any element. So let's assume that I want to add outro, like after they watch the video finish, you can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can add this outro, and this AI tool is going to do the magic for us. So let's preview what we have done. So I'm going to play the video right away. So as you can see, it's actually added a subtitle for us. So this make sure that all the people that is watching our YouTube videos is going to be much engaging. So after you have done your, after you have rendered your video, so you have to download it to your laptop. So you can click on confirm and should be able to download it and upload it. You should be able to upload it to your YouTube channel. So you click on done now, and it's going to download to your laptop and be able to upload it to your YouTube. So I will find great value in this content, because I've tried much as possible to find a great tool you can actually use to make a lot of your to turn your YouTube long video to short. I will see you in my next video. Bye.